By the end of the video, we'll know ABOUT Easy HIIT Workout for beginners. Get fit in just 15 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with an easy HIIT workout for beginners that'll help you get fit in just 15 minutes. Remember, exercise is a key part of maintaining overall health, and this workout is perfect for those just starting their fitness journey. HIIT stands for high intensity interval training, and it's a great way to get fit fast. The concept is simple: alternate between high intensity exercises and short recovery periods. This type of workout not only helps you lose weight, but also builds endurance and cardiovascular health. Plus, it doesn't take up much time, perfect for those with busy schedules. So let's dive right in. Here's a 15-minute HIIT workout plan that's single quotes SBEGINNE dash friendly : 1, jumping jacks 20 reps, 2 squats 10 reps, 3 push-ups 5 reps if needed. Do modified push-ups on your knees. 4 high knees 20 reps, each knee should touch your chest. 5 burpees 5 reps, start with just these if you're new to HIIT. 6 rest for 30 seconds as 7 rounds, total time 15 minutes. Remember to start off slowly and listen to your body. No need to push yourself too hard at the beginning. As you progress, you can gradually increase the intensity and set a timer for each round instead of counting reps or time. If you're looking for more variety in your workouts, check out our other videos for additional exercises and routines. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also starting their fitness journey. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.